Oh, yeah, first one a bit yeah. Yeah, give me some water too, at least. Huh? Just kidding, just kidding too. There's the water. Why? Why? I hope I hope you'll do like it does. Yeah, yeah. I don't care if it's still walking, but I work hard on it. Okay, I'm finished now. I hope you like it. Look now, I'm finished. Look at this. What's wrong with that? Look, I like it. It's like a bit, it's just a bit good. Is it a bit good, Niall? Is it a bit good? Oh, thank you. Oh man, this guy's thing is more better. Look, this guy is more better. See? See, this guy is more better. See? And mine's just straight up walking. Straight up walking. Huh? Okay, the next one is this. Watch me learn to fly. I wanna. Yeah! Wait for me at least. What are you doing? What the? Tada ya tada so Let me try.
Yan, lalaki pinagkagat ng di umano yung zombie.
Huh?
Jessica Soul. May zombie na daw.
What? What?
Lalaki pinagkagat ng di umano yung zombie. Jessica Soul.
Buko na yan dito? Ow! Who did that?
Butit ka din, boy.
What? I'm too fast at the point. I think it's not something good. Well, I guess. Okay, let's watch this. Wait, no! Where is it? Project. What was the project?
Oh, shit.
Tik, 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 tik.
Siyempre, date na ngayon, July 8. At napaka-espesyal mamaya ng araw na to kasi nga, alam niyo na, birthday nga pala ni P, July 9. So, yun, mamaya.
Okay, let's start. Let's start here. So we should start to draw. What's the difference? So we start. There it is. Okay, let's go back. That's how we got it. Wait, I need a break. Where's my here. I forgot to do it again. I have to do it again. Getting stronger. Wait, I have to redo this. Getting stronger every day. To the Okay, I'm done with that. I hope y'all like. I think this is might be the best one of all time, I guess. By the way, guys, this is my first training video, and the reason why I did this because I need help from coworkers that are good at cleaning, like yeah. So let's get straight into it. And the reason why I didn't do an intro bit is I'm trying to hurry up because I think I have school tomorrow. So yeah, I have to say, and yeah, of course, I have school tomorrow, like always. It's almost always. But when I'm going to go from the highway, yeah, it takes a year if you're gonna. I'm going to by the way, guys, I'm sorry if it's like a bad animation, but I'm gonna take a break, of course. I'm gonna take a break. Alright, and let's just hurry up. The good thing is, they're wait, okay, so first we gotta find where the head is, so we know where it's gonna be. So it's time now. Yeah, who's gonna do this? Oh, it's not like that. Look at me. Select anyway. And by the way, every time you like do a thing and change a filter, it's changes. And it's kinda annoying because if you're gonna do something with it, you know what it is? It always changes. So that's the reason why I sometimes hate motion. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry, guys. But to the fun of motion because they get this one because they get so many likes and the thing they only want is likes. You're lucky, bro. You have address. How many? How many? Yeah, I don't know how much subscribers do I have. By the way, guys, if you wanna help me, my goal is just 1K. It's just only that kinda easy. Okay, I need a base. Yes. Wait, let me just. Ah, oh, oh. By the way, guys, did you see that thing that commercial called the 16 talk? Red chicken, yeah. I kind of feel bad for him though. It's It was just my first time training. I only been helped by a guy yesterday or girl. This might end nobody. Don't get me mad. Okay. How you need to do? Well, I